Now we're going to look at one of my favorite topics, exponentiation. So put in a new subheader, go to the plus text, and put in 2 hashtags and then exponentiation. Now first you need to know what is exponentiation. Well, add a new text cell, I'll tell you what it is. Exponentiation it's really repeated multiplication. Like what? Well, 3 to the second power means 3 times 3. Okay, but we want the actual operation to give us 9, not turning it into multiplication. Okay, we want to know 3 operator what? What's the syntax? All right. By the way, when I'm putting in text cells, you don't have to put everything into the text cells. You can leave these blank or fill them in later. And the key is that you have the coding cells and the headers. Okay, I say that because I wouldn't want you to be slowed down by any text cells. I often will go back later and put them in myself. Okay, so press Shift Enter to run that, and then we get a coding cell. Okay, challenge. How do you do 3 operation what? Question mark is 9. 2, sorry, 3 squared. You may want to try the caret, right? That works in a lot of calculators. So let's try that. Press Shift Enter. You get 1. It's not actually correct. So Python does not use the caret. That is a bitwise operator. I think Colab may even be interpreting a different language there. Whatever the case, it's not correct. So we want to change that. Okay, here's my hint. I want to see if you can get it. It's repeated multiplication. Let's say that one more time. Repeated multiplication. If you have an idea, try it. If not, here we go. If that's multiplication, then repeated multiplication is 1 more. 3 to the second. So press Shift Enter. That's 3 squared. That's 9. That is elegant. I love it. I think it should be universal. I can tell you that other languages require import math, math.pal, parentheses, 3,2 close parentheses. I think that's way too much. It's a very common operator that is beautiful and concise and accurate. Okay, I'll show you one more cool use of it. To go in reverse, if you wanted the square root of 9, that's actually to the 1/2 power. Look at that. So you can exponentiate to 0.5 to get the square root. Isn't that cool? Note that it gives you 3.0 and not 3, which is interesting. We're going to talk about number types soon.